Hello everyone, welcome to our channel. This is Caitlin from Shumatt, China. We specialized in the common rail inject, and today I want to show you some of our product. This is the injector repair kit, can be used in this unit pump. And then let's check the details first, okay? In the first one, it's the adaptive model numbers. It's used in 0414693006. And on this one, it's the product name, Injector Repair Kit. Okay, as you can see, for these packaging bags and these labels, if you want to design your own logo, the label and packaging bags, yes, of course. We Shumatt, we can supply you this kind of customized services. That's really a good service, right? And if you want the customized services, please contact us. Yes, we can satisfy you. And I will open it to see the inside to prove our really good qualities. And this is our unit pump. Look at here. And this is the repair kit for this pump. Okay, I will open it. Let's see the inside. Okay, use the powers to open it. Still last one, okay? This is a bigger one, this is a small one, also with the yellow cap. Okay, for this one, it can be used in this unit pump, and for this one, right? This black one, you can use it in this part. It can be better connected with this part, and this part can be connected tightly and avoid some air, some liquid. Yes, very convenient. And maybe some sealing rings is used in the outside part. Some sealing rings used in the inside part. Also, we have this kind of yellow cap, and it's a whole side in the repair kit can be used in this unit pump. Okay. That's all about our product details. If any models, if you're not familiar with, you can contact us. Yes, actually, we really have so many items, right? And if you see things you really like it, and if you're really interested, please feel free to contact us. Except that, and maybe some customers will curiosity about our product warranty, right? At here, Caitlin will tell you good news about our product warranties. We have the 6 months warranties. During this time, if you are not satisfied with the qualities, and you can contact us to return it, we will exchange the product for you. Okay, that's our product details we are showing today. And each week we will have different videos and the live show on the YouTube and the Facebook account. If you are interested about our product or videos, please follow us at our channel and feel free to contact us. Except that we also supply the injector, the nozzle, the repair kit, the pumps, the parts for the pumps. Yes, so many items, right? Any items, if you are interested, remember, feel free to contact us. Okay, so much for today's introductions. Thank you for your watching. See you next time. Bye-bye.